Before loading the cut component tape strips into the Hanwha feeder finger, cut the tape at a 45-degree angle through the sprocket hole and the center of the component pocket. This creates space for the plow blade to enter and separate the cover tape. Discard any remaining part of the first component. With the feeder finger closed and latched, place the cut tape strip onto the feeder tape guide surface. Slide the tape into the rear of the feeder finger. Use the tape push tool to advance the tape until it contacts the sprocket gear. Index the feeder while pushing the tape to engage the sprocket. Then advance the tape until the first component reaches the pick window. The Hanwha feeder fingers work with both 2 mm and 4 mm pitch feeders, and the tape loading process is the same for all tape types. For embossed tapes, follow the same steps. Cut the tape at a 45-degree angle and discard any remaining part of the first component. Place the tape on the tape guide surface. Use tweezers to lift the tape slightly to insert the plow blade. Then advance the tape to the sprocket gear. Index while pushing the tape onto the sprocket gear. Index the feeder until the first component reaches the pick window. When loading full reels, guide the tape through the natural path of the feeder. When the tape reaches the guide surface, and with the finger closed and latched, feed the tape into the rear of the feeder finger. Push the tape until it contacts the sprocket gear. Index the feeder while pushing the tape onto the sprocket gear. Removing the cover tape routing and collection process cuts feeder setup time by 80% and offers a reliable solution for feeding cut tape strips without cover tape leaders.